So we're here, and I guess the official name of this place is Kasa Cup, which I didn't realize. I don't think I saw that name on Google Maps. It's not Kasa Coffee Shop or Kasa Cafe, it is Kasa Cup, and it is right beside the Kasa waterfall. And there it is. The waterfall has a nice swimming pool right beside it. I imagine after James and I have our coffee or whatever we have, we'll pop over here, take a look. Looks beautiful. It actually looks a little bit manufactured almost. It looks like it's sort of a waterfall that might have been built in an amusement park or something, a jungle ride, but I'm pretty sure it's all natural. A lot nicer than I expected. I mean, it's not huge. It's not a big waterfall, but it's a very beautiful one. Yeah, very nice. Oh, I lost James. Where did he go? I thought he was right behind me. I think he headed inside. Has his heart. Oh, there he is over here. He was taking a look from the other side. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of people up there, people swimming, children.
Yeah, there's someone actually starting to scale.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
So
it looks like they sell, or they, what do they do over there? There's some swimming togs or some type of swimming gear over there.
I just saw that the gate was closed,
yeah.
But I guess it just means you have to park outside and you can walk in.
Yeah.
So I assume after we have whatever we have in there, we'll go take a look at it.
It looks like you can even sit on the side and dip your feet in.
Yeah.
Well, an experience.
Oh, I'll be diving in if I can.
Well, coffee and waterfall, 2 for 1.
I know. Yeah, this is really nice. Nicer than I expected.
Yeah.
And this coffee shop has a spiral staircase there. You can climb up to the top. So that'll be my first place to go. See what things look like from up there. Very cool. Haha. Oh, okay. So the main staircase gets us to here, and that is super nice. And then there's a little ladder that gets you up to the very top. Look at this place. Who knew? Who knew all this was here? I didn't. After all this time, I wasn't even aware of this place. Very spacious up here, which is nice. And then from up here, you get a nice view of the waterfall. Look at that. Wow. That is, as I said, it's a bigger place than I thought. The coffee shop and the waterfall is more scenic than I expected.